Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. For over 25 years, I've deployed ERP applications for some of the world's largest organizations. During that time, I've taught thousands of people just like you how to discover, use, deploy, and support Oracle's back office applications. In this presentation, I'm going to teach you about the functional areas within the ERP Pillar, also the lifecycle flow for each functional area, and how transactions flow through those functional areas. But before we get started, did you know that you could earn free badges for display on your LinkedIn profile? You can. Stay until the end of this video and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started. Key topics for this lesson are as follows: ERP Pillar functional areas, the contract management functional area, the procurement functional area, the payables functional area, the fixed assets functional area, the general accounting functional area, the receivables functional area, the projects functional area, and the ERP Pillar functional area flow. So lots to cover in this video. Okay, first topic, ERP Pillar functional areas. Functional areas are used to group the actual applications. The core, air quotes, ERP functional areas are listed here on the left. So with that in mind, the image on the right shows the functional areas. Selecting or changing any of the functional areas that you see highlighted with the red box will result in changes to the quick actions or applications beneath it. To learn what the ERP Pillar is, search for the ERP Pillar overview lesson within the Oracle Cloud Explore or Overview course. Second topic, the contract management functional area. The image on the left shows the different applications in this functional area. This functional area automates the contracts, meaning authoring, review, approval, and signature, and terms management, meaning the templates, the sections, the clauses. That automates those business processes. The image on the right shows the contract management lifecycle flow. To learn more about this functional area, watch the free Introduction to Contract Management course under the Discover menu. Third topic, the image on the left shows the different applications for this functional area. This functional area automates the purchasing and sourcing business processes, most often to include procurement contracts. The image on the right shows the procurement lifecycle flow. To learn more about this functional area, watch the free Introduction to Procurement course under the Discover menu. Fourth topic, payables. The image on the left shows the different applications within this functional area. This functional area automates the invoicing and payments business processes. The image on the right shows the payables lifecycle flow. To learn more about this functional area, watch the free Introduction to Payables course under the Discovery menu. Fifth topic, fixed assets functional area. So the image on the left shows the different applications in this functional area. This functional area automates the asset-related business processes, so mass addition, adjustment, transfer, depreciation, and retirement. Image on the right shows the fixed assets lifecycle flow. And to learn more about this functional area, watch the free Introduction to Fixed Assets course under the Discover menu. Sixth topic, the receivables functional area. The area on the left shows the different applications in this functional area. This functional area automates the billing and receivables business processes. The image on the right shows the receivables lifecycle flow. Again, to learn more about this functional area, watch the free Introduction to Receivables course under the Discover menu. Seventh topic, general accounting. The image on the left shows the different applications in this functional area. This functional area automates the GL journal related business processes, so creation, editing, reversing, posting, allocating, and reevaluating. The image on the right shows the general ledger lifecycle flow, and to learn more about this functional area, watch the free Introduction to General Accounting course under the Discover menu. Eighth topic, the projects functional area. So the image on the left shows the different applications for this functional area. This functional area automates the project management, so resources task management, and financial management, so rebilling, grants management, etc. It automates those business processes. The image on the right shows the project's lifecycle flow. To learn more about this functional area, watch the free Introduction to Projects course under the Discover menu. Ninth topic, the ERP Pillar functional area flow. This slide shows how the functional areas are linked together at a very high level. Obviously, different implementations, different configurations. So let's walk through the slide starting with procurement in the upper right. So first you may have procurement. It may interact with procurement contracts. And then you have financials, cloud, or payables to settle the transaction. Those transactions may make entries into fixed assets. They may also create entries within projects. You may also have financials cloud doing billing. That billing may also interface with a customer contract to get agreed upon rates, etc. And money is sent and received by financials cloud receivables. All of those applications may interface ledger entries from subledgers to the general accounting general ledger. Anything in the general ledger may be pushed out via OTBI, OAX, third-party warehouse, into some reporting function to produce reports. Okay, so you should now understand at a high level Oracle Cloud Pillars, Oracle Cloud's ERP Pillar, the offerings, functional areas, and applications that are contained within the ERP Pillar, and much more. So that's the end of this presentation, but it doesn't have to be the end of your learning journey. There are thousands of free videos just like this one. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. We want to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Okay, as promised, here are the 5 steps you can perform today to start earning free badges for your LinkedIn profile. Step 1, navigate to Panameer.com and either sign in or join now. It's free. Step 2, in the upper left, under the Discover menu, select the course that you want to watch and get badged for. Step 3, watch all of the different video lessons in that course. Step 4, when it's complete, send your LinkedIn profile and the course you watched and your user ID to badges@Panameer.com. And then sit back and wait for step 5 when we attach a badge to your LinkedIn profile.